Understanding of the wave properties of electrons led to the development of the electron microscope. There are two types of electron microscope. The transmission electron microscope produces two-dimensional images, while the scanning electron microscope produces three-dimensional images. The de Broglie wavelength of electrons depends on the accelerating voltage. Electrons are accelerated by voltage of the order of 10 to the power of 5 volts, resulting in wavelength of the order of 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. This produces magnification about 1000 times higher than the optical microscope. The magnification of an electron microscope is about 10 to the power of 4 to 10 to the power of 5. Here we see two electron microscope images. Images are often artificially colored, as seen here, to make the object easier to visualize. The resolution of images formed by optical microscope or electron microscope depends on the wavelength lambda of the light source or the de Broglie wavelength of the electron beam. A shorter wavelength in each case produces an image of higher resolution. Summary. The resolution of image formed by optical microscope or electron microscope depends on the wavelength lambda of the light source or the de Broglie wavelength of the electron beam. The de Broglie wavelength depends on the accelerating voltage. Electrons accelerated by voltage of the order of 10 to the power of 5 volts will have wavelength of the order of 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. The electron microscope has much higher resolution or power than the optical microscope.